Yo, where the f is
Y'all
J-Lo?
seen J-Lo?
Where you at?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video, and we coming at you late night. It's actually like 10 o'clock, almost 11, but I'm putting in work for y'all. Off camera, I got the valve covers painted, I have the timing cover painted, and then I also painted the oil pan as well. We're gonna work on actually getting the bank block prepped for paint. Once we finish that, it'll just be reassembling, and then we'll be able to throw this bad boy in there. So you feel me? Take a seat, relax, get something to eat, and vibe with your boy one time. Let's get into it. For this, we got some aircraft remover, you know what I'm saying? And then I went and bought some sponges to apply that as well. My fault. There we go. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna bust this open and get to it. I'm also going to conduct a test. I'm going to be careful not to spray anything below, of course, the oil pan itself, but I went ahead and wiped this side off with some degreaser, and I'm just going to straight paint it. I'm not even going to put the aircraft remover on it. I just want to see if there's a difference. I doubt that there's really a serious difference, and honestly, since this engine was so cheap, I'm not tripping about the outcome of it. There's a sensor here that I went ahead and plugged up with a shop rag piece, so that won't get contaminated, and then again, I'm going to be safe to not go anything beyond that. So we're going to try that out and see how far that gets us. I'm gonna let that dry, but honestly, I can already tell you, you can see it with the light on, and it doesn't look bad at all. The aircraft remover might have been just a little extra unnecessary step, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let this dry, hit it with another coat, and then see what the other side's looking like, get that cleaned up, and then do the same thing to that side. Okay, now we're back on this side. The aircraft remover looks like it's dried up a lot of it. I know this is a process that kind of takes time. We're gonna go ahead and agitate it with a shop rag. I got wire brushes too, just to see what comes off. I know a pressure washer would have made this 10 times easier, but after seeing the results of the other side, I honestly don't even care what this looks like. I would rather just go ahead and paint it just to make it look uniform and match. So I'm gonna go ahead and agitate that, get all of that off, hit it with some degreaser as well. It actually doesn't look like it's taking anything off at all. I think that it adhered quite well when they coated the engine the first time.
Few inches later.
Next, we're gonna go ahead and throw the oil pan back on. I don't really know if there's a technique to this or not. We just kind of freestyling it. We winging it here. I actually decided to stop and inspect and realized that the bottom of this cover has a bunch of crap on it. So we're gonna take a razor blade and gently just scrape, get all the gunk off. We're also gonna put some black RTV just on the mating surfaces where it meets the front of the block and then the back of the block, and then we'll be able to throw the oil pan on. So go ahead and put 3 bolts to hold the gasket in place. I'm gonna be cautious on how I feed this through. I also cleaned out the bottom of the oil pan, so all the debris and whatnot got removed. So I just took the crankshaft seal out. This thing kicked my butt. The way that I did it though, of course it would sit inside timing covered like that. What I did was take a screwdriver, sit it on the very edge, and then grab a mallet or a hammer, tap that bad boy out. I had to put a lot more pressure than expected behind it, but we got that bad boy out, and we're gonna pop the new one in. And this is a kit, Felpro. Felpro came with the entire setup that you would need for this, including the gasket that goes around the timing chain cover. Take this bad boy off and get it installed. Should be as simple as popping that back into place and taking something blunt and marrying the two. We got that bad boy installed just like that. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the timing cover. So as y'all can see, we got the valve covers on. They're looking nice. I went ahead and threw the oil pan on. And I also put the front timing cover on as well. So we're making progress. We do got headers for it, so probably throw on the headers next. We also do have the rear main seal. This looks kind of difficult to get to. I haven't really attempted it yet, but it doesn't appear to be leaking. So I'm just gonna run it. If that ever does come up in the future, we'll address it then. But as of right now, I am not messing with it. And that's really all I got for y'all tonight. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. You hear the crickets outside chirping or whatever. But that's all I got for y'all today. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And it's your boy J-Lo signing off. This guy with my finger stuck in my tripod. Peace.